Welcome to Market Warnings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Friday, December 2nd, 2022. As we get started here, keep in mind everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along on our various social platforms. I'll leave links to all of these in the description down below. And with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. I want to start off first with the economic reports. So there's been a lot of reports coming out. We've got a ton of them coming out yet, including the OPEC meeting over the weekend on Sunday. You have average hourly earnings, non-farm unemployment, and unemployment rate today, and those are 8:30. We'll see what they ring for the pre-market updates. And then tons more data coming out in next week and the week after that. If we look at our futures today, that's interesting, the futures today. If we look at the futures, we are down 4 1/4 on the S&P 500, which is the ES. And I'm looking right here, guys. Where my mouse is, that's where I look at right there. I get a real quick glance at what's happening. The Dow is down 49. The NASDAQ's down 21. The RUT's down 2.5. Bitcoin, almost at 17K again, up 100 points. Ethereum's up 20 at 1286. Gold is down 3. And crude holding above 81. We're up 9 cents there today. All right, so let's go take a look at our candidates for today. I've got a list built out. First thing I want to say is this gray dashed line here, folks, I'm not going to do an in-depth analysis today of the S&P. What I'm going to tell you is you're going to want to tune in to the intelligence report that we do over the weekend. It's a report that comes out every single Sunday, which shows you, it's a video, me showing you what I see in the S&P and the VIX and so forth. So right now, we broke above the 200, which is that gray dotted line. I don't look at the 200. I look at the 233, which is this blue dotted line up here instead. So we pushed up, yes, and we failed yesterday. We're down again today. Will we hold the 200? It's very much a psychological level for sure. I can't tell you yay or nay. We're going to hold it on that, but I can say that we'll be watching the 233 over the next couple of days. All right, so Amber is our very first stock. They had earnings come out on Amber. Let me just fix my option chain here. I got all my covered call stuff open on it. So let's see. All right. They're down $1.88 right now. Right? Now they were in a bullish bias. They're down to $72. What does that mean? Well, 71.53 is my 8 moving average. The earnings news pushed them down, but not down enough for me to say, yeah, we look bearish here. So we're going to say next on Amber. Asana is our second one of the day. Great channel pattern on Asana. Right, we're down $3.20 to $14.88. Right, so I've got a channel pattern drawn on Asana. 11 to 17 is 6. 3, yes, we need to split that level in half, or our levels in half. Right, so since we're looking at, well, where are we? Hold on, 14, yeah, so let's split this in half. It's a fibit. Right, so we're right now at 14.89, 14.22 is support. So we can look at a bear call spread above 17. Right, crowdsource. We had these on our list the other day. Or CrowdStrike, I keep saying source. They were on for our earnings. They took a bounce up. Today they're down $1.67. They got a downgrade. They're at 122 right now. So they're sitting right below that fib line. Right down here. Right? So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 130. Yeah, the 122 is just way too close. DoorDash. Also a downgrade today. Maybe they're just not so fast anymore. 56 is the current price right now. We were at 57.12. 56.60 is support. We just barely got down below that. The 8 moving average, yeah, we're barely down below it, right? But we are above the 55, the 55 and 21. So 57 to 63 is 6. We don't really need a fibit in there at all, right? So I don't know what we're going to get for it, folks, but this only I'd be willing to do is a bear call spread above 63. I don't expect you're going to get any real premium on it, especially that it is Friday. But I'm not willing to do above 57 when the stock is at 56. It's too tight. Marvel, MRVL, earnings on Marvel, they are down $3 to 42.5. All right. Once again, we were in a bullish bias. We're now down below that 44. We're down below the 8 moving average. We're down below the 21 moving average. Okay, I like it. So we'll look at a bear call spread above 44. Ulta. I got a message from UPS that we're getting an Ulta delivery this week. It's not mine. 474 half, $2 to the upside right now on Ulta. It was earnings. Yeah, it's because my wife and girls are buying tons of stuff on it. That's why. Actually, there's lots of people buying lots of stuff on it right now with holidays coming, right? Okay, so it puts us at 474 and a half. We're still below that 475, 451. So we've got 25 points in there. I need a fib it inside of there. So let's apply the negative 136. All right. So now we're going to look at a bull put spread, our only one that is bullish today. Bull put spread below 463. And then last, but certainly not least, is ZS. Right? They're down $12.5, Zscaler. $12.5 down to 132. And it's on earnings. Right? I want to get a little bit of a bigger picture here. All right, so down to 132. So we're down below the 138 moving average. We're above the 127.62, but we've got some good distance above to work with. So we're going to get a bear call spread above 143. And that means 143 or higher. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, make sure you check out the description, the links I put down in the box below. And one of those sites in particular, tradinglikeaboss.com. Do not miss out on going and checking out all the free resources we have available. Have a great trading day, and I will see you in our next update. Bye for now.